All right, seventh grade, I want to give you instructions on what you're going to do for this online virtual lab. So to access the lab, I'm on course 2, but course 3 looks the same way. You're going to go to your online learning information, click on your Pearson online textbook link. All right, and that's where you have the access to the site. Click sign in. Like I said on the doc, your sign in is going to be your Holy Trinity username, and then the password is HTS12345. Once you are in on the Pearson site, yours looks a little different than mine, but you're going to go to, nope, that's not what I wanted. Get into your section. I have all 3 sections on mine. You will just have the 7th grade section on yours. And once you get to this table of contents, you want to click on Chapter 5, Thermal Energy and Heat. And then you want to click on Lesson 2, the transfer of heat. And then you're going to go down through the various activities that you can do, and you're going to select this solar oven design virtual lab. And you're going to open it in a new window. And then this is the lab we're going to be doing. Okay, so along with this lab, you are going to be filling in this doc. I have assigned each of you one, and I give you instructions on what to do. I'll walk you through the first one. So you're going to be testing how various aspects of a pizza box will allow you to build a solar oven. And so if we go to the investigation, it starts giving you some information. I want you to read all of this. And once you get to the next part, you're going to start testing things. So the first thing you're going to test is the length of the window. And first you have to make a prediction or a hypothesis. So say you thought that increasing the size would improve the solar oven's performance. You would click on that. And then it makes you go here to check. Oh, you click next. Then you have to come over here to look at what variables they're controlling, which would be your box length, box height, the box thickness, the box material, the time of day, and the time of year. And now we can start taking our measurements. So we're going to take measurements for a length of a window at 10, 20, 30, and 40. And so I can move to the first length. And once I have information here for that length, I'm going to click on Collect Data. And every time I move along, I'm going to click Collect Data. And when I get to the last one, after I had, and this is all detailed in instructions, but I'm just showing you, you're going to click this little graph button. It's going to graph the data points that you just took. So for each length, we have a corresponding temperature of the pizza box. And so once you've created this graph, I want you to select this part of your screen as an image and then upload it into the doc. So on yours, and I have a picture of what to press on the assignment, but you're going to hit Control Shift and then the like box-like button on top of your number 5. Again, I have an image of this on the assignment, and you're going to just select the graph, and it's going to take a picture of it and put it to your desktop. And so then when you go in to your lab that you're going to submit, I want you to show me this graph. And so you'll go down here and you'll click Insert Image, Upload from Computer. Yours might look a little different, but make sure you're on the desktop. And then look at the desktop, the graph you just took, and you'll click Open. And it should paste it in, and you can adjust the size down if you don't want it to be quite so big. So you're going to do that for each, then you're going to answer the questions. You're going to give me a 1-sentence summary of what does this mean in the form of, as the length of the window side increases, the temperature blank. Does it increase or does it decrease? You got to read the graph. All right, so you'll go through this lab. You're going to test a couple different things, and then you're going to tell me, based on what you found, what is your ideal pizza box solar oven design? In terms of, are you going to go with a large window size or a small window size? How a box that is has a large height or a small height. So I want all that information. And then you're going to turn, once it's filled in, you're going to turn this doc in on Classroom. All right. You guys don't have any assignments on Friday, so you have today, which will be Thursday, as well as tomorrow to finish it up. It's due by 3 p.m. tomorrow. On Monday, when I see you, actually, I will see you on Monday because we're going to have class using Zoom. So on Monday morning, I will have links posted in the stream on Classroom of where you need to go to log in to Zoom for our online class, and we're going to meet face to face. I have course 3 at 10 from 10 to 10:30 and course 2 from 10:30 to 11. So I'll give you guys a chance to ask me any questions. It'll give me a chance to give you guys a little bit of direct instruction, and it'll give you guys a chance also to see each other. All right, if you have any questions on the lab, I have that doc. Oh, let me show you because none of you have posted on this. Actually, Ryan Lawler did. But if you go into Google Classroom for science again, and you bring up this 7th grade science question and answer doc, I do keep an eye on this during the day. So when you have a question, okay, just post it on here and I respond to it. So if there's any issues with the lab, you're welcome to post a question there. But give it your best shot. Like I said with lab when we were in class, you guys got to learn to struggle through this a little bit, and it's okay. So take your time with it and you'll be fine. There's step-by-step instructions on the lab report that I've attached. All right, I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.